Here's my broken wall. Let me know who broke it. I gonna go see him right now and say thank you. The intro of the song won't be over soon, so I'll start first. Draw this broken side along the line right this yo. It may seem easy. Yes, it's easy. I'm sorry. Turn several times to harden. Stop. Now let's make the sexy right angles of bricks. It's ruined. Thank you, my left hand. I'm good on my own. Don't help me. That's it. Let's draw a support. In my life, little fingers are used in two ways. One for picking my nose and the other for lifting the filament. We're looking for a third way. Contact us at booter.com. Let's do the rest of the parts like this. When the support sags down like this, just hold it with your fingers and lift it up. Then, oh shit, it's fucking hot. It's hot, but I made it. Now I'm going to make sure it's securely attached. It's attached well. Let's fill in the square. Slowly, slowly. What is he talking about? He is in a very angry state. Roughly speaking, he's broadcasting it's time for lunch. He is a very friendly person. Fill it up with a straight line like this. It takes about 10 minutes to fill one side. I can see the inside, so I need to apply more. I should have done well at first. This took much longer. But I can do it fast if I do it 8 times faster. Fill the sides equally closely. Don't throw garbage on the street. Instead, place in the broken wall and fill it with a 3D pen. It is easy to dispose of garbage. Phew, we're done. Let's put up a leaf to look natural. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with a more educational video soon.